his shadow on the ground. I thought he was about to walk up behind me. Don't make me grab the strap, dude. Wiener real estate. I think that's what they called your mom back in high school. Hey, got him. Sorry. It was just dangling right in front of my face. Just like your mom. Sorry. Welcome back to another family-friendly motovlog with muscular motorcycle, just without the muscles. Before I left, I opened up my gas cap and looked in the tank, and I did not see any gas, so should be good. Is he gonna do it? All right, good. I'm going a different loop today because I want to mix it up instead of kind of riding the same path every day. Not every day, but in every video. Today is 9/11, but you won't be seeing this until December 4th. Just a disclaimer, I guess. I don't know. So today I swapped out the ECU in my ZX-10R. So obviously when I bought it, it came with one in it. While we were trying to figure out for sure what the problem was, we thought the ECU might be an issue. So I bought a different one to replace it, and that's the one I had it running with. That's when I got it inspected with and everything else, and then corrected with. But right now, since I still don't have bearings or anything on it, I swapped them back out. So I put the one it came with back in to see if that one works, because if it does, then I'm going to try to resell the one that I bought to try to get my money back, because I'm in desperate need of that money. So since it's a good working ECU, I will try to resell that, which will help a little bit. And if the ECU it came with works, then good. I'm hoping it's flashed, kind of, even though the bike's already very fast. I'm still kind of hoping there's something special about it, which is why the second reason why I swapped them out. The main reason is because I really need that money. But once the fairings get here, which is tomorrow, I can put the back ones back on, and then when the headlight gets here on Friday, then I can finish rebuilding the bike. And then this weekend, the plan is to do the test drive to clear the codes, and also get rollers while I'm doing that. Two birds with one stone. Man, I haven't been this way in a minute. I don't leave my house anymore. But try to get two things done at once. Get some rollers on it. It'll look completely different, but at least it'll be good to go again, hopefully. But yeah, I'll try to get rollers on it and clear the codes. Once I do that process, I'll see if the ECU is good or not for sure, and go from there. If that ECU is good, then that bike should be fully completed and ready to go. And now it's registered, it has the title and everything. I just have to get insurance on it before I take it anywhere. I was about to say, so the next motovlog you see from me might be on the ZX-10, but I'll probably ride tomorrow and Friday too on this. So we'll probably see one or two more, at least one or two more on this one before that bike. But it is almost back. I have a certain song that's not exactly a song. It's stuck in my head. It's a freestyle, actually. It's just some random internet video. It's like a freestyle. I can't exactly say it. It just keeps repeating in my head. fact, I actually have to cut rapping out of my videos a decent amount, because I'll get bored and I'll just start rapping, and then I hear myself and I think nope, and I cut it out. So I might end up cutting that out too. Yo, shout out to those two, that couple back there, for walking to the end of the road back. I'm sure they're doing like some sort of laps or back and forth, but like might not seem like much, but it's a start. You know, they're out there exercising, so anything is better than nothing. So I fully support that, which like I think applies to most of us gym people. I say most because unfortunately we can't speak for everyone. Like most car guys know it's not actually about how much money you put in the car. It's about like the story behind the car and the work you put into it and all that stuff. Oh look, that looks like my dog. But like I was saying, most of us gym people, if you're in the gym, like you're actually making an effort in the gym, you're not just sitting there sitting on your phone or whatever, you're actually making an effort and working out. We don't care how big you are. We don't care if you're fat. We don't care if you're obese. You're in the gym. That's what matters. You're actually trying. You're putting in an effort to fix that, to change it. That's what matters. So we're not going to see you in there and be like, wow, look at this fatso. We're going to be like, hey, they're actually in here. That's what matters. They're working on it. They're doing something about it. So we support that. A lot of people have told me they're afraid to start working out or to go to the gym because they don't want people to judge them. The people that are there to judge you suck, unfortunately. And I'm not going to act like that doesn't exist, because it does. But the majority of us support it. And we're just happy you're there. So if that's something you're concerned about, you just got to find the right people, I guess. The right gym, really. But yeah, most people in the gym are supportive of everyone else in the gym. Most, not everyone. But I just wanted to put that out there. So like if you're going there and making an effort, that's what matters. And good job. Even if you work out at home, that's still like putting in effort. Effort is pretty much all that matters. As long as you're actually trying, we support it. I always get worried that, sure, let's break for a green light. I always get worried that like I'm gonna be recording one of these videos someday and inevitably I'm gonna fucking crash and die. Third time's a charm, right? But like I'm gonna wreck and they're gonna look at my phone or whatever in the video, see what evidence they can find or anything like that, and they're just gonna hear some of the shit I say and out of context, or like not know why I'm saying it, just like what is wrong with this guy? Like the rap I just did about titties. I hope that doesn't happen, but I'm expecting it. I'm also worried that like, let's say I do live, right? And I tell the insurance company, oh, I got on video, or like I tell the police, yeah, I have the whole thing on video. And they're like, oh, well, let's see it. And then I'm gonna look like this dude, because what if, like, with my luck, right before I crash, I'm gonna be saying something dumb or inappropriate or whatever, something random, and they're gonna hear and be like, huh? I'll tell the police, yeah, dude, right before he rear-ended me, like while he rear-ended me, I was recording, sitting at a red light. And they'll be like, okay, let's see the video and with the audio. And I'll say, I'll fix it myself. Don't worry about charges. Bro, keep braking when there's nobody in front of you. Keep braking. I swear to God. Good riddance, dude. Very surprised my gas light has not come on yet. Oh my god. No way. Bro, right next to the gas station. That's probably the luckiest thing in my life. If you've seen, if you know much about me, you've seen my luck. This is insane. Stuff like this does not happen to me. Wow, I should go straight home before I die. I don't want to jinx it, but that's crazy. Right after I say it. Alright, I'll be back because I gotta get my wallet out, which has everything you need to know about me. Sorry. That's crazy. Best timing I've ever had in a video, I think. My right hand is asleep. I'm not sure why. But the good news is, it's just the hand that controls how fast I'm going, so who cares? As I was saying about luck, we are now stuck behind someone going under the speed limit. Of Corvettes in there. Things I can never afford. It's nice out. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm just enjoying riding, really. That's what I meant. So what I'm gonna do is pull over in this parking lot and start a new video, and then continue my loop. And I'm going to get blinded the whole way that way. It's going to be very exciting. What are you doing? You don't have a stop. But thanks, I guess. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate it. Please leave a like and sub. Because I'm poor. Appreciate it. Means a lot to me. What is that? Can't tell. I think it's a Mustang. But yeah, I'm going to try to make another video. If enough happens, it'll be a video. Otherwise, it's just going to get deleted. But we will see what happens. I'll see you in the next one. Later.